Hey everyone. All right, so we are Packaging Science Group 1 for 320, and I am Anna Healy.
I'm Scott Hoffman.
I'm Adam McDonough.
I'm Philip Coleman.
We will be talking to you about our development project first. Over the course of the semester, we worked with our food science group to fulfill our development project criteria. And our food science group was assigned a juice concentrate, which was essentially to be frozen or chilled before consuming, and it's a healthy alternative for children. And so our goal was to provide a sufficient secondary package that would contain 24 primary packages and basically to protect, describe, and market towards the intended audience. Before we could consider designing our secondary package, we wanted to incorporate our 5 key designing elements for our package. These include functionality, reliability, usability, proficiency, and creativity for the structure part of our package as well as our graphics. Our initial idea for the package was a thermoform tray that would be a blister pack because we were thinking that the juice concentrate was going to be frozen. So we wanted to do a popsicle type thing so the children can relate to it. But our food science group did not want to go with the frozen product anymore. So we did not go with that. Our initial graphics included juicy drops, which illustrates the 3 fruits that are used in our product, the strawberry, pineapple, and grape, dropping from a friendly cloud. Also just to target the children and draw their eye to the product. But our final concept for our package was a farmland theme.
And after letting our food science group talk a little bit, they decided to come up with the name Pool Farms. So we thought we could go with relate to the farm scheme of the package, which turned out that we could go great. We could use a Savannah style. With Savannah style, it's like an open field usually, some kind of open scenery where it almost welcomes you to the package. It flows well, it gives the calming sense, and with that, we started to think, well, with composition of the graphics, what could we do? Well, our product is made up of 3 juice concentrates, which is grape, strawberry, and pineapple. So we thought, why not put them in the package? So we decided to place them in front of the Savannah theme. That way they would stand out more. That it kind of gives the feeling you want to jump out and grab the fruit. So that actually, it helped. We also incorporated the signs. Like we thought, what could we do to show this product provides vitamin A, D, and there's 24 of them. So we thought we could put signs on the sides of it because it really stands out in the open scenery. So to make this stand out more, we decided, well, what kind of colors could we use? Well, with the Savannah theme, since it's already a welcoming thing, we decided to use the triad color of greens. Each green represents a calm, soothing feeling, makes you just feel like at home. And to incorporate the composition again, we decided to go with a vibrant color for the fruits. They really stand out. As compared to the green, they really jump out and make you want to grab the fruit. We decided to add a little more to our box. With your original juice concentrates, you look, there's nothing to them. So we were like, what can we do for the kids? Well, we decided to add a little maze, a little story on the back where the kids are playing hide and seek, trying to find the fruit. So we decided to put that maze in and tell a little story. And we also decided to try the nutrition label on it. And as far as if you've never really looked too much at the package, the side panels are really the hardest to come by because you have so little room to work with. And you have to make it readable. So you want to choose a font like we chose just a regular anyday font that anybody would really notice. It's nothing real particular about it. It's just really easy to read. We also decided to go with the blockout style because if you read from the side, it helps your eye flow through the actual reading. We decided to use this for directions. And after that, we come out with our final product. And as far as for this project coming out of it, we actually, if you've never worked with another group that is nothing to do with your major, you will come to find out that it's really difficult. Their ideas do not flow well with yours. You'll have problems, but there again, you come out like we did. We've come out fairly well with our project. We really enjoyed. We learned a lot from our other teammates.
All right, so we entered into the AICC competition, and it proved quite challenging at first. We had many different designs that we started out with. All of these, we spent quite some time just researching into these, and found out that they didn't really perform anything like what we wanted to perform, which led to our current design that we have here. We worked with this for a really long time to try and find a way to not use glue or tape, so it's really easy for the people that's going to be putting it together to put it together, so they don't have to pull out a hot glue gun. You know, you just push and it's locked in place. This design here is pretty unique. It separates our packages into 2 tiers. We have 6 on the top and 12 on the bottom, which allows easy access for the consumer. Now they just come up and they pull one, take it away, and when you get out to the car, you know, you just scan it in, you get out to the car, if you're smelling bad, pull it right out. So yeah, no problems there. And then we move to, this takes a second. There we go. These were our original graphic designs. We spent a lot of time researching these and putting them into play. We printed a couple. After we printed them, you can see when you take out one of the packages, they're deformed right here for where we had to put the package in. So like the little cityscape we had, it would end up looking like this. So you could see it, and when you pulled it out, it's just kind of a hole. So we had to completely redesign it, and we ended up with our current.
So to eliminate the issues with the boxes being in the way of the graphics, we used Occam's razor, like following suit with companies like Apple or Pepsi, where they just spend a lot of time focusing on identifying with a small graphic element that anyone, if they see a Pepsi box, they know it's a Pepsi box because it has that red and blue shape. Or if you see any Mac or Apple products, you'll see that Apple logo on there. So we went with a company that had a very identifiable logo, and we decided to incorporate a figure ground with the 3 white on black stripes across the room. If you can't see the actual logo of our brand, you can still see the 3 stripes and know that this is a product from this particular company. So we have some other views of our package, and just in closing, we applied different design fundamentals to develop our food science project as well as our competition project. We made use of the excellent machinery made available with the Sonoco Institute, and we learned how to work well in cross-functional teams. These are our sources for our logos.